Hey everyone! If your Starkey Omega AI hearing aids have become disconnected from your iPhone, this video will help you get reconnected. Before we get started, place your hearing devices into the charging dock. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down to Accessibility. Then select Hearing Devices. Remove your hearing aids from the charging dock. You'll notice the name of your devices go from gray to blue once they are successfully connected to the phone. Here, we can see both left and right devices are connected and their microphone levels can be adjusted. If your devices still do not seem to be connected, please start the video over and walk through the steps again. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.